You're in the middle of something important, a video call, streaming your favorite show, or about to submit work, and suddenly you see it. That dreaded blinking red light on your router. Don't panic. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this in the next few minutes. First, let's understand what that red light actually means. A blinking red light is your router signaling a serious problem. It usually means one of three things. There's no internet connection coming from your provider. The router is dealing with hardware or overheating issues, or there's a firmware or configuration problem. The good news is that most of these problems can be fixed at home without calling tech support or paying for a service visit. Let's start with the fix that works most often: a proper power cycle. Unplug your router and your modem. Wait a full 30 seconds. This part matters. Plug the modem in first and wait for the lights to stabilize. Then plug the router back in. Give it 2 to 3 minutes to fully boot up. This clears temporary glitches that build up over time, and in many cases, the red light disappears. If that didn't work, check your cables. Loose or damaged cables cause more issues than you'd expect. Check the coax cable connected to your modem, the Ethernet cable between the modem and router, and all power connections. Look for loose connectors, bent pins, or frayed cables. Try gently wiggling each one. If the light changes when you move a cable, you found the culprit. Next, check for overheating. Touch your router. Does it feel hot? Routers generate heat just like computers, and overheating can trigger red light errors. Move the router away from walls or other electronics, clean dust from the vents, and make sure nothing is stacked on top of it. Let it cool for about 15 minutes, then try rebooting it again. Before you spend more time troubleshooting, check whether your internet provider is having an outage. Use cellular data on your phone to visit Down Detector, or check your provider's social pages for outage alerts. Most internet companies also have automated phone systems that announce known outages before connecting you to support. If your area is affected, the only option is to wait it out. If none of these fixes worked, it may be time to get help. Your router might need a firmware update, a factory reset, or it may simply be failing after years of use. Check the first link in the description for a complete troubleshooting guide with advanced fixes for every major router brand. If you need immediate help, click the link below to chat with a verified tech expert who can walk you through your exact situation in minutes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tech fix. See you in the next one.